Now I'm going to bring in the string. I'll just mute that. I'm just going to zoom back out. There's a really easy way of zooming in and out if you press the letter Z on the keypad. So if you press Command and Z, it will undo your last step. If you just press Z on its own, it will zoom in and it will bring all the audio to the whole range in one window. So I brought the string in, and if I just make this track a little bit bigger, so I can do that by just hovering underneath the track and pulling. It's not doing it. There we go. Just pulling down like that, you can see the audio. But on this one, it has a slightly different ending to the rest of it. So this audio track is a little bit longer. With the strings, I'm just going to go and put a little bit of whole reverb on. Bit of EQ, make these a bit brighter. Okay, what I'm going to do now is show you a little bit about automation. So all these volumes and all these effects and everything we can automate. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to go to press A, and I'm going to press X as well, close the mix for the time being. And from about, if you look, I'm going to take solo out. It's a little bit hard to see, but can you see this line here? Once we start clicking on these, I'm going to click and then it goes yellow, and I'm going to just click, and what I'm going to do in here is just fading out these. I'm just going to put a fade at the end of the song, and so I'm automating each one of these tracks. And there's my shaker as well. Let's do that one. Where's that one lying? For some reason that's not on volume, so let's go to volume as well. And when you click on A, you can hide and show the automation. It comes up with this read and volume. So at the moment we're just drawing it in and making our. What we can do with this one, let's fade the conga in over time. We'll come back to this in a moment and just see how that sounds. So I'm just making little changes to the volume of the tracks, and but I'm going to leave the strings, and this is kind of quite a neat little trick. I need the synth as well. Is it that on read? Why is that not showing up? There we go. Take that out, and we're just going to leave the string to do its thing. So press A and that all disappears, but it's still there, but it's just lying underneath, and it's going to automate. So let's just go back to that little chord first of all. Did you hear that fade up? Yeah, it could be better. Now when we get to the last chorus, everything's going to fade down apart from the strings. What I'm going to do with the strings there is I'm just going to fade those out, but instead of using the automation this time, I'm going to use what they call a fade tool. So if we click on the audio and press T, you'll get this, and I'm just going to go from the side here and get this little V on its side. It's going to go from the side, drag over, and that will put a little fade in as well. Then we have a nice smooth transition there. one little trick that I can also do is here, instead of volume, I can click and I can go to main, and we will see send 3 as well. So this is going to automate this send here. So at the moment it doesn't have any on. Let me get the pointer tool. Actually, let me get the pencil tool. I'm going to click, and so right at the end I'm just going to bring in the delay. So let's maybe do it a little bit more severe. Okay, so that sort of echoes off a little bit more smoothly.